Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So actually, first of all, make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and then you can enter the Play Store. Now let's tap on the three dots icon and tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all updates pending. If you want to update all of those apps, just tap on this big green button, Update All. But if you want to update only one of it, just find it. Let me pick, for example, the YouTube, and tap on the update button right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. Now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.